$68,000 is what the Nissan Nismo Z cost.
Listen,
it's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money, but I would have to like really test it. It looks really nice.
And my question, which I'm sure you're wondering too, is it worth it? Because you could get a lot of different cars for that price, especially sports cars.
Yeah.
It's a good thing Nissan just dropped off this exact car to us last night. And we have good news. We're going on a rally today.
They dropped off the car last night?
Last night. It's in your driveway. So we're going on a rally through the mountains of upstate New York today. It's going to be about 450 plus miles today. So we're gonna get a lot of seat time in this car. And I'm curious to see, is the Nissan Z Nismo worth $68,000?
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say probably.
Let's go find out.
Made an hour, 40-minute drive in like hour.
Yeah.
With the bagel stop too.
And doing the speed limit.
Doing the speed limit the whole time.
This thing actually rides super, super good.
Evan said it rides like a McLaren 570.
Kind of does, man. Like, low-key.
What do you think? Let us know below. What do you think about that stuff? But honestly, I agree. It rides really good. Okay.
How you like your ZR1, man?
Fucking awesome. It's so good. Like, it just drives so well.
Yeah, I saw your ZR1 pulling in and I was like, oh my god, that thing's gorgeous.
Yeah. I think we have scattered thunderstorms today.
We're on the same thing, man. We're on slicks.
Yeah. We'll be hazards on, just kind of cruising.
Yeah.
We'll take our time.
Yeah, we'll take our time.
We'll take it nice and easy. Yeah. How's the automatic in your car?
In the ZR1?
Yeah.
Sucks.
Really?
Worst thing about the car is the transmission.
Oh,
Other
good.
than that, I love it. If I got the manual, it would be like a perfect car.
I just found out like 2 days ago that the ZR1s came in manual. I had no idea.
Yeah. They're worth so much more.
I had no idea. Because everyone I've ever seen is automatic. I'm like, it only comes in auto.
So desirable.
They're going for a lot now, aren't
Yeah,
they?
they've gone up a lot.
Can't wait to be behind you, man.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Steering is so direct. I mean, even over those. Yeah. These are a lot of rivets on the road, man.
Man,
this thing is just hunking down.
She's taking it like a fucking champ.
This has McLaren-like steering. Woohoo! And these seats, they just hold you in place, and we have so much confidence. This is such a good car. It switches directions so quickly. And there's so much power on tap. Oh, wow. Look at where we are, man. Wow. This is so beautiful. It's funny, the boost builds up so quickly. You could be so low in the RPMs. And then all of a sudden, we're at 6,000 RPM. Third year is perfect for this road.
Seats hold you in place really, really well too.
At first I was like, I don't know about these seats, but now I'm so happy I have them.
Yeah.
Viper on the left coming up.
Cool. This is the perfect car for this drive. Oh my god. This isn't even the best part of the drive yet.
I know, it's only 8 a.m. We have still 250 miles to do.
The way it builds power is insane. You throw it around a corner.
Nice. Hard bank over here. Nice. Very nice. These tires are great, dude.
Yeah, they are. You could feel the elevation changes in your head and your ears and your sinuses. We're going up and down mountains right now. Everyone on this drive is a phenomenal driver.
Yeah.
Oh, and all these cars sound so good, including this.
Yeah, it really does.
I can't tell if it's piped in or not.
I don't think so.
It sounds very natural. What's messing with my ears is the fact that I had a Q50 Red Sport with the same motor, and I put an exhaust on that, and it sounded completely different than what this sounds. This almost sounds throatier, where my Q50 was just noise. And it's even got a little like pop to it as soon as you like go from like second to third and you're on the gas. It sounds really, really good. Almost like a GTR meets like 911. Although I wish I had a third pedal and a manual, I am very happy with these. It gets the job done. Is it as good as like a PDK or a dual clutch? No, not at all. Like when you're going slow, the shifts are pretty slow. But when you're going at speed, it's pretty fast. Man, if they put a manual in this car, it would be so perfect. I know Nissan makes great manual transmissions. Why not give it in the most enthusiast-driven version of this car?
Okay, technically second fuel stop. Car's actually doing really good. The bucket seats aren't too bad.
Oh, all right. Probably got about 150 miles down so far. My back feels like I'm 80 years old, but it's all good because we're in a sick spot right here. We are at Lake Superior in upstate New York. Woohoo! Oh! Oh! Yes. So good. Oh. There are so many cool cars. And everyone here is actually a really good driver. I'm very happy. Dude, how's this camera set up?
Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's very hard to drive and record.
Does it have the tracking?
Yeah, it does. I just haven't used it, but yeah, everyone's just in a straight line anyway, so it's not bad.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
That's cool. This is definitely the car to have.
But it gives me like anxiety because I'm just like, you know, I found a string just in case for like secondary if it does fall out. Yeah.
Manual convertible in this weather, probably really awesome. And then there's this guy in the heavy wagon who's been keeping up the whole time. Dude, fucks. Nismo's holding up beautifully. This thing is awesome. We're gonna hang out here at Lake Superior for a little while and then go hit the road again. Let's take a tour of all the cool cars that are here right now. The one car.
It's like the one, that one.
Yeah.
That's oncoming car, oncoming.
Cetra.
Oh. How'd he spin out?
There's a gravel. You can see the tracks. So that was good. Out of respect, I didn't want to take the camera out there and everything and film it, but we got it out. Long story short. He's okay. Everyone's okay. So yeah, he spun out pretty bad. So, but car's fine. It's running. I don't know how.
The Nissan is bulletproof. Symphony of all these exhausts put together, bouncing off the forest, nature, you can smell it. Absolutely amazing. Well, third gas station stop of the day, and we're in the small little town, and breaking necks. I don't think this town has ever seen this many sports cars come through. Yeah, gas station takeovers.
Fuck, dude. So what had happened was we guzzled gas like crazy. I also dropped the SD card for the GoPro. Actually for the DJI, because I was swapping it into the GoPro because the GoPro SD card ran out, so I was trying to swap it with the DJI one. And then it fell while we were going like 55 miles an hour, so.
Oh, good luck, bro. Black SD card on black carpet. Also, look how clean this M2 is. It's touching the ground. Gas station takeovers. We probably have another like 75 miles to go, so I'm excited. This is one of the perfect cars for this road. Nismo's doing so well. This thing handles like a McLaren sharp left and has the power band of a GTR. It's absolutely amazing. It's like a McLaren 720S and a GTR had a baby and created this. I don't care, it doesn't have a manual. This car is amazing. Absolutely incredible. Good job, Nissan. Good job, Nissan.
Sorry guys, I forgot. We got food.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Yeah, I think like they care.
We have to include food in every vlog.
Oh, you're right, because we're fat. Okay, I got my butt pillow. I love these seats. They hold me in place very nice, but I have the butt of an 80-year-old man. This was a very cool car.
Yeah.
Shut up! It's worth almost $70,000.
That's kind of wild.
It's a good car.
It's a great car.
You get a lot of other cars for that
But
price.
like M240,
Yeah.
even M2, like,
Yeah.
you know?
Supra.
I think you'd have to really, really love Nissans to spend $70,000.
100%. 100%.
Yeah.
But thank you for giving it to us, Nissan. What do you think? Would you drop $70,000 on a Nismo Z? Is it worth it? Comment below. I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, how do you find all these
So
roads? 'Cause this
basically,
road is
we
sick.
have like years and years of just doing this as a hobby. You know, me and Brett have been doing this. I mean, I've been since 2018. He's been doing it for longer. So he owns a custom shop in Astoria, Queens. And what he used to do, you know, they do performance cars, overland vehicles. So for anybody who's come to the shop and like done work there, you know, modified their car and stuff, he would put on these customer appreciation routes, you know, 12, 15 cars, stay at hotels, kind of do the same thing.
Little
exactly.
by little, finding new routes.
Exactly. So like just experience from doing that with him, and then also like individually, like we both just love to drive and we love hitting the back roads. So just
so cool.
just experience over the years of like finding roads on our own on Sundays, like, oh, this is a sick road, you know, kind of.
Yeah.
Are you subscribed yet?
Are you subscribed yet?
Why are you not subscribed? Subscribe.